So today, you'll learn how to connect TikTok to CapCut desktop. So if you want to enjoy full features on TikTok on CapCut, and if you want to enjoy CapCut features on TikTok on your desktop computer, then connecting them is the best way to do this. So to connect them, you want to start by launching CapCut, and then you want to go to the sign in option. Once you've selected sign in, you want to click on sign in with TikTok at the very top of this menu. So select it like that. And then it will open your preferred browsing app. And from here, it'll ask you to choose how you want to log into TikTok. So you can choose your login preferences, whether it's with QR code, phone, email, username, Facebook, Google, or Apple. Again, just choose your preferred option, select your account, and then log into TikTok. So once you've done all of that, it will then take you to tell you that you've logged in, and then it will ask you where CapCut desktop wants to access your TikTok account. So you can see these two arrows pointing left and right, which means that it will allow continuous sharing between the two. So if you're okay with all of that, and if you're okay with CapCut desktop accessing your profile info, your profile engagement, information, account type, and syncing your favorite songs, then just click on continue. If you want to disable something, you can just click on the toggle like that, and then it will be disabled. So once you've done all of that, just click on continue, and then wait for them to be linked. Once they're linked, you can now open the CapCut app. So just click on open CapCut, and then you'll notice in the top left corner that the account has now appeared here, which means that you've successfully linked your TikTok to your CapCut desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.